Right, in the workshop then we're going to see how to use the refillable compatible cartridges. These work on the Epson SX range, the SX100, 105, 205, 405, etc. Anything beginning with an SX, even the SX600FW. These cartridges will work on them, but remember they are not original cartridges, they are compatible cartridges, they are not original Epson. Any remark about Epson is for information purposes only. I am not connected to Epson in any way. And these cartridges are mainly for people who don't want to use a CIS. They're a little bit scared of them, or they just simply don't want the bottles next to the printer. These cartridges are the next best thing. So let's see what we have to do to get them going. The background here is in white. I've done a couple of pieces of white paper really, just so it stands out better for you, you can see it better. No particular reason other than that. The white background does make it a little easier to see. So this is how the cartridges come in a block like this. Different printers take them in different orders. Some take blue, yellow, red, black, or cyan, yellow, magenta, black. Some will take them cyan, magenta, yellow, black, and the SX600FW actually has the black over where the cyan is. It goes backwards, it goes that way. Black, magenta, yellow, cyan for the SX600FW only. So what we're going to do, we don't need this clip on, it's only there to keep them together for you. So let's just click it off. It's just there to keep the cartridges held together. We don't need that clip. We can now put these in whatever order we want them really, for whatever printer we want. So we've got the 4 cartridges apart there. Let's see, what do we do next? Well, I'll tell you what we're going to do. We're going to rip these stickers off because we don't need them. Rip them off because we've got the coloured bungs there, look. Get these stickers out of the way. They're only good getting away when we're refilling. Rip them off. We can tell what the cartridges are because they've all got individual coloured bungs there. If you look there, you don't need the stickers on to tell you what colours they are. The bungs do it for you. So it's pretty easy really. What we have to do next, we're going to refill them. Right, we're going to fill the black one. Now if you look here, I'll put it to its side. Basically it's see-through, you can see what's going on inside. At the back here there's an air inlet and there's also a bung there. Now I'm going to show a quick easy way how to fill them up, but you must be patient. Don't go shoving your needle in really fast, else you'll end up with ink everywhere. So just watch what I'm doing and you'll be okay. First of all, I'm going to get some black ink, put my syringe in the bottle and fill the syringe up. Well, that's pretty simple, isn't it? Now I'm going to put my needle on it. My needle is on the syringe, so I'm ready to put the ink into the cartridge. Right, we're going to fill the black cartridge then. So you'll see this hole here in the middle of the black bung, a little small hole. You put your needle in and you push and you'll feel some pressure, so push that and it will pierce the black hole. Then you slowly push in your ink, and if you watch that there, you can see the ink going in. If you try and push it too fast, you're going to get ink everywhere. But you can see that cartridge filling up. Do it nice and slowly, patiently, and you see the cartridge filling up. It's almost to the top there, and my syringe is just about empty. So we're just up to the top there. I'm going to stop the video now, just get a bit more ink into this syringe so you can see when it's full. I've got some more ink in the syringe and I've got my needle back into the cartridge. You can see the cartridge filling up, and I'm slowly pressing and you'll see it filling up to the top. There we go, we've got a little bit, tiny bit come out the top, so we'll stop there. That cartridge is just about full, maybe 0.5 millimetre here and there. So what I'll do, I'll just wipe the top there with a bit of tissue so we don't get ink everywhere. And that's it. That cartridge is full and ready to use. Simple as that. No point in me filling all 4 cartridges on this film, because it'll just last too long. So you see how to do the black one. You do that the same with all of your cartridges, whether it's these 4 cartridge systems or the 6 cartridge systems that I also sell. You just fill each one and put them into your printer, and your printer monitors them just like it does normal cartridges, except when it runs out you just take it out, put some more ink in it the same way I've just shown you, fill it up to the top and put it back in again. You've got a full cartridge again, just keep printing. So very low cost printing. If you used to buy that set, for instance, you get all 4 bottles of ink, 4 syringes, 4 needles and a pair of gloves just in case you get a bit on your hands. The ink on my hands isn't from doing these, it's from remanufacturing cartridges. I've always got ink on my hands. And you won't get a load all over the place as long as you don't go crazy ramming your syringe in and trying to fill it up in 2 seconds. That's the only mistake that people make. So that's it really. You just fill them up, use them. Once it says they're empty, take them out, put some more ink in and use them again. Just keep using them to your heart's content. Very low cost printing. Thanks for watching.